Don't be fooled by the imitators. Let the Metro RV Dealers Association officially invite you to the biggest RV show in Minnesota. It's coming. The 2023 RV Super Sale at US Bank Stadium, March 23rd through the 26th. And it's not just one RV dealer. 9 of Minnesota's best dealers are teaming up to offer the most competitive prices on a huge assortment of RVs. Easily explore more than 400 of the latest and greatest RVs with all major manufacturers represented. This show is the real deal. And unlike other shows, we only have the hottest new inventory. Not just one, but 9 RV dealers will be ready to help you find the right RV in a relaxed, friendly atmosphere. So if you've ever thought about buying an RV or upgrading to something new, you absolutely, positively can't afford to miss Minnesota's one and only 2023 RV Super Sale at US Bank Stadium, presented by the Metro RV Dealers Association. Coming March 23rd through the 26th. Check out MetroRVDealers.com for details, and we'll see you there.